So what's up, guys? We're back again for a little quick unboxing on these Clarks. I think is it Clark's Desert Trek Cup. So we're gonna do a little unboxing on these. Yeah, this is what it comes in. So we're gonna open them up and see what they look like. And I got these on sale. So on the time of this video is like $50 for it. So I'm gonna put that link in the description and say, okay, why not get it? Just get it. So we're gonna open these real quick. We'll be back when we open it and stuff. So yeah. So I got these because it was on sale and stuff. So pretty cheap. Alright, so we got shoes. This is a receipt. Put that to the side. On the ground, whatever. Nothing else. Boom. So this is a box. If I can get it up, so we got a size 12. Yep. Trek Cup. So we're gonna see what they look like. These are the new style of Trek. We got sweet cleaner. Put that to the side. A little quick unboxing, nothing too special. Alright. If it comes out. God damn. Alright, so we got them out, but they okay. Not my favorite. There's something wrong right here with the crep sole. I don't know. I'm gonna have to try some on feet and see if I like them. Any difference, but that one fell. But I'm gonna try to do some on feet and see if I like them. Very unusual, but leather in the back, suede, a whole lot of freaking crepe, or for the Caribbean people, cheese. But yeah, we're gonna do some on feet, and we'll be back in a second. Right? The only thing I like is in here is fire, like the inside. And be careful when you're taking yours out. I broke the the trees inserts. I literally have to pop them, break them to get them out. So we're gonna do that unboxing now and see how they look on feet. All right, so we got the on feet. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think about these. They're really unusual. Yeah. I think these will look good in them. These laces. But yeah. They're alright. So tell me what you guys think about these shoes and peace out.